Hello, this is John Piper with a video clip, and it's Friday the 12th of December, and today we're going to start with the Dow. This is a 10-minute chart. Got a sharp fall. The Dow failed around 18,000. Various counts here we could apply. I mean, it could be an A, B, C, and then we've got a wave 1 here. Have got something of a 5-wave advance here, actually more of an ABC, with a retest here. That's one count. I mean, what we could see now is another rally to complete an ABC and then more downside perhaps, or we could see impulsive action. The alternative account, again, there are variations here as well. One count is that, for example, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. So we also have a 1 there. So 1, 2, then that 5 part 3, 4 and 5 to there. So it could be a complete 5. That would again allow us an A, B, C. And then more downside. So that's one particular count we could see. If that were to come to pass, then we'd probably see a rally tomorrow. So yes, a rally today. In fact, it's Friday. So a rally into the weekend, and then downside the coming week. That's probably unlikely, given the fact that we've got expiry next week on Friday, a week away, and also, of course, we're on the Christmas period. But these things do happen sometimes. I think Christmas does have a positive influence, but not always. I say there are alternative accounts here. Let's look at another one. I guess the main alternative here is that it's actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 1. That then becomes a 2. Confusing because it's actually a 5 itself, but that's a 2. Then we've got a 1 and a 2 with a third wave coming in now. So any break below 1750 would be of some concern at this point in time. But again, it's Christmas. We'd expect things to be fairly muted, and it's expiry, which again has that effect. But there are those various counts there. Look at the DAX. Well, the DAX finally made a new all-time high, around 10,100. So we saw this A, B, C. Now this strong rally to there, and this setback here. So have a look at that in a bit more detail. Well, rather messy on the DAX, but we have, say, a 1 there, 2, maybe a 3 down to there, 4, and then a 5 down to there. Then an A, B, irregular C. So the high was just below 10,100. We have the pullback from 9.9 here. Okay, one relevant factor here is that since the DAX closed at 4:30, we have now fallen back to here. In fact, so already we're well down, and again a break below these levels. You could easily see us fall back quite sharply here. So again, we've got some quite negative patterns. So it all depends on whether support holds, really. So something to watch out for as the action tomorrow. Alright, FTSE is also falling fast. It's currently around here. It's fallen back since the close. We had the break to new highs, very sharp fall down to there, taking out all these various support levels. I mean, we're now back at the lows of the year. Well, sorry, the lows of the year down here, obviously, but the lows before that low. A strong bounce back, but again, we're falling sharply again now. Pretty unseasonal, although we often see a shakeout before the Xmas rally. But there are these negative connotations. Right now, I think there's still a fair chance we're going to see some buying come in. At least we're going to see a rally into the Christmas period, even if we don't see newer highs. But if we keep falling, then I think we'll be looking to sell. I'll send out some alert if I see an opportunity. I think it's a good one. We've got gold. I know we'll change on gold at the moment. We've still got this 5-wave advance. 1, 2, and then a 5-wave advance to there. 4, 5. ABC correction. That's pretty classic stuff. A nice 1 wave. ABC down 2. This must be one of. Well, sorry, it must be anything. It could be one of 3. This could be 2 of 3. We're still awaiting some action to actually see a thrust up, but it's looking pretty positive right now. At least a lot better than it has been looking for a while. All right, finally look at pound dollar. We have the count, as I've been telling you before. 1, 2. Then this is 5 waves to there. That's 1 of 3. A, B, C. Count of 5 down to here as well. That would look like the 3rd wave. So we're now in this 4th wave, which could look like this. And then the 5th wave is due to complete 3. So the worst the move currently might well be over. The only caveat there is this is a little bit subdued for a third of a third. So maybe the count is going to change in some way. But right now, it's looking like, well, as I've said here, that it may be not a huge amount is going to happen for the next the next week or two. Okay, that's all for today. If you found that interesting and useful, we'll be back with the weekend report and then a report on Tuesday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.